Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only nacho dip you'll ever need. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, 1 packet of taco seasoning, and 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Don't forget 8 ounces of cream cheese and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. These simple items are the foundation for an incredibly delicious and satisfying dip, perfect for any gathering or a cozy night in. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by browning your 1 pound of ground meat in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Once done, make sure to drain any excess grease. This keeps our dip from being too oily. Next, stir in 1 packet of taco seasoning along with 1/4 cup of water. Let this savory mixture simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. This is where the magic happens, transforming our base into a creamy, cheesy delight. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese to your warm meat mixture, stirring continuously until it's completely melted and smooth. Next, incorporate 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, including their liquid, for an extra layer of flavor. Finally, gently fold in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese until it's just melted and gooey, creating that irresistible texture. Your incredible nacho dip is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm and immediately with your favorite sturdy tortilla chips. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos, or a dollop of cool sour cream. This recipe generously yields approximately 6 to 8 servings, perfect for sharing. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, though it's usually gone quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.